In this video, we are going to assemble the knuckle joint. All the knuckle joint components that we have already solved in the previous cases. Now, first open the blank sheet and first save the sheet. And the sheet name I am giving assembly of knuckle joint. First save this. Now, go to dashboard. Go to dashboard and right click on the forkend and say here insert into current design. So once we say insert component, we'll have some feature like this. If you are okay with this component in the aspect of direction, everything, or if you want to rotate the size, or if you want to change the axis, we can change using these composites or within the planes present. Just say okay here now. So this is the forkend, and the next component we are going to insert is this IN. So click on the IN, right click, insert into the current design. So see here, I have got IND also. So just I keep this components aside and just click OK. So similarly, let me import and show you all the components of the knuckle joint. So here I have imported all the 5 components of the knuckle joint. Now let us start assembly of this knuckle joint now. So in the first stage, we are going to use an option called as assemble. In this option of assemble, we are going to use a joint operation. So in the joint operation, we are going to give basically revolute joint or the slider joint depends on the component. So here, let's say this knuckle joint has this fork and iron. This iron has to be in between these two forks, and this nut has to go here, and this washer has to be here, and whatever this pin has to be inside this collar and this nut. So what I am doing is first let us assemble the fork end as well as the iron. So to assemble this, just orient your screen to the particular desired direction. Now take assembly and joint option. Rotate it. The base center of the fork end has to be in contact with the top end of the eye end. Now see here, and the joint type is here, change it from slider to the revolute. So here we are having a revolute joint and say OK. This is the first thing. And the second thing is again go to assembly and take the joint. See here, this pins center point to the this topmost layer. Again the link is revolute. Next, here we are going to do again the joint operation, but this time we are going to have the rigid joint between the inner part of the hole and here. Change the joint to rigid and say OK. Now this pin. So now do again the same operation of joint in here. This end of the pin. Just say little bit X deformation, little bit outside and say OK. That's it. Our assembly is ready. And just save the component. Thanks for watching.